Pizza in itself is such a playful dish. The crusty base and the cheesy top come together with so many different variations of toppings. Today I'm going to show you how to make a tandoori mushroom and paneer pizza. Let's see how it's done. Today we're making the tandoori mushroom and paneer pizza on a tawa. For that we're going to start with mixing some dry masalas together. So in this bowl I'm going to start adding red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. You can add less or more as per your taste. I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of haldi, half a teaspoon of jeera powder and 3/4 teaspoon of coriander powder. Along with this, I'm going to add around a teaspoon of salt. Next, I'm adding in 1/4 teaspoon of Garam Masala. And lastly, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of pizza seasoning. I'm going to mix these masalas once. And now we're going to toss our veggies in this. I'm going to start by adding some capsicum, few petals of half an onion, some paneer cubes, and a couple of mushrooms that have been sliced. I'm going to toss these veggies in the masala, making sure all of them are well coated. This is going to add a beautiful tandoori flavor to our veggies. Now let's prepare the base of our pizza. I'm going to apply a little bit of butter on one side. I'm using a ready-made pizza base over here today. I've applied butter to one side of the pizza. Now I'm going to place it on a hot tawa. We're going to cook it on medium to low flame, making sure it turns nice and crispy. I've applied butter to one side of the pizza crust. I'm going to flip it and cook it on the butter side down and turn off the flame. We're going to use this time to cover our pizza with our sauces and toppings. Now I'm going to start adding my pizza sauce. I'm going to spoon over some ready-made pizza sauce. You could also use homemade pizza sauce here. Spread it around evenly. Adding in a little bit of pizza seasoning. Next, I'm going to add a little bit of cheese on the base. Now it's time to add our toppings. I'm going to start adding the veggies, making sure the entire pizza is covered well with veggies. I'm going to top this off with some more cheese. Today I'm using mozzarella cheese, but if you like, you could also use processed cheese. After adding the top layer of cheese, I'm going to add a splash of water on the sides. This is going to create a little bit of steam and this will help melt the cheese on top. Before turning on the flame, I'm just going to cover this first. And now we're going to cook this on medium to low flame. The cheese has melted nicely. Let's remove the lid. I'm going to check the base first. The base is also nice and brown. It's time to remove the pizza from the flame. If the pizza has not cooked properly on the bottom, continue cooking it till it's nice and crispy. Our tandoori mushroom and paneer pizza is ready to serve in under 15 minutes. The ingredients are very easily available for this recipe and it can be whipped up very quickly. So next time you give this recipe a try, let me know how it turns out. This is Chef Bhumika signing off from Rajshri Food.